from MODUL University. We are at Movenpick JBR. We are going to do Hospitality Backstage program for the students today from Arab Unity School. Hospitality Backstage program by MODUL University is all about learning what to do in a hotel.
This is a great opportunity for high school students to really understand what the hotel industry is really about. Even for me, even though I'm enrolled in a business course, I get to understand the business side and the business aspects of the hotel industry. We get to go through each and every department in the hotel, such as F&B, housekeeping, front desk, and finance. And it really helps us understand how the hotel industry works behind the scenes and behind the doors.
It's been a very good experience right now. We're having fun and we learned a lot of stuff. We met Mr. Phillips, who was running the hotel, and he was very nice to us, and he gave a very inspiring speech, and he showed us how much hard work takes you where he is. He's been working for so many years, and he says he's happy, which is the important part, and he wants to make other people happy, which is what we say hospitality is all about. And we learned all the backstage operations, the housekeeping and everything, and it's very interesting.